Hey, what's going on, Freedomers? Again about reposting part two. When your brand is strong enough, you don't have to worry about tagging people. Yes, out of courtesy and sometimes out of Instagram rules, out of copyright rules, you want to tag them. But you don't have to if the person who you reposted stuff is strong enough. Because usually where you get the information from, they'll tag the people will tag them in the comments. Like I reposted a picture that I didn't even know who the artist was. I just copied it from somebody else's picture who didn't give that artist credit. So I just branded it and put my name on it and told people to comment. And people said, "Don't be rude. Tag the artist." I don't even know. I didn't even know. I just got it from somebody who didn't tag the artist. So and those people under my post tag the artist because his brand is strong. When your brand is strong, you don't really got to worry about tagging and stuff because um you don't have to worry about that.